Doctor's Toy Store, and here we've got a Skytron 6001. It's kind of like a 6500, just a little bit different with number. Anyways, this has tilt, planing, we call it planing. Turns to the right for the doctor. That way the doctor doesn't have to lean over so much. It'll also turn the other way. This is remote control, which is really nice to have. It eliminates someone sitting down and having to use a controller. Much easier. And by the way, we're located right by 95 between Fort Lauderdale and Miami, so you can come see us. Anyhow, it's got back up, back down, power tilt, Trendelenburg, reverse Trendelenburg. I'll tilt it back up. You can put stirrups on it if you want to do OBGYN. The Skytrons are also very popular for C-arms. You can slide C-arms under here. Another nice thing about this type of table, if you want, it's got a swivel. You can swivel the whole table. Other tables don't have this type of, don't offer that function. It turns all the way sideways, but there's bars over there. I can't turn it all now. It also has flex. Flex is when the table breaks down and the center comes up. That's nice to have, I guess, for some surgeries if the doctor needs it. Okay? And then that's where it's flexing all the way down like that. You've got tilt. Then if you want, you can put the leg down all the way. Now I'm going to go ahead and tilt it. I'm going to tilt it back up. Let's see. I'm going to reflex it, and that brings it back up into the position it started with. Okay? So it's a great table. It has multi-functions. It's got the swivel. The head's adjustable. This is manual. You can slide in or out at any height, wherever you want to put it. And then if you want, I can put the leg down. For GYN, we can put the stirrups right here. You also can put the arm boards up here. Okay? And it's really nice because there's also a brake, which you can hit the brake and the table won't go anywhere, or take the brake off and you can roll it around. 6001, 6500 Skytron. Call the Doctor's Toy Store today.